Highway surveyors with relevant experience are needed in the densely populated Delhi neighborhood of Chattarpur to keep traffic flowing freely. In order to make educated decisions about the construction and upkeep of roadways in Chattarpur, these experts must first perform surveys, gather data, and analyze the results. Accurately measuring and mapping the current road conditions is the responsibility of highway surveyors in Chattarpur. They gather information about the topography, elevation, and road alignment with the help of high-tech instruments like total stations, DGPS receivers, and laser scanners. After collecting this information, detailed maps and drawings can be made to be used in highway planning and construction. As part of their employment, highway surveyors in Chattarpur must keep an eye out for any problems that could compromise the reliability of the city's roads. These experts conduct comprehensive surveys and assessments to pinpoint problem areas. To improve road safety, they may point out problems like poor drainage or a lack of proper signs. Highway surveyors in Chattarpur work with other experts on road development projects, in addition to doing their own surveys. When designing new highways or extending existing ones, they collaborate closely with civil engineers, architects, and urban planners. By coordinating their efforts, these experts can make sure the building is safe for residents and is able to satisfy the needs of Chattarpur's expanding population. Highway surveyors in Chattarpur play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of roads and highways in the region. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and gathering data that is essential for the design and construction of safe and efficient roadways. By utilizing advanced technology and equipment, highway surveyors in Chattarpur are able to accurately measure and map out the terrain, identify potential obstacles or hazards, and determine the optimal route for a highway project. Their expertise ensures that the design and construction of highways in Chattarpur meet the required standards and comply with government regulations. One of the key aspects of highway surveying in Chattarpur is the collection of data related to the existing road network. This data includes information about the width, length, and condition of the roads, as well as any existing infrastructure, such as bridges or culverts. Highway surveyors in Chattarpur use various techniques such as asDGPS, Global Positioning System, and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, to gather accurate measurements of these parameters. This data is then used by engineers and designers to develop plans for improving or expanding the existing road network. In addition to collecting data on existing roads, highway surveyors in Chattarpur also play a critical role in the design of new highways. They use their expertise to identify suitable alignments for new roads, taking into consideration factors such as topography,